Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? So this is live price prediction of Chainlink coin, my brother, and absolutely all cryptocurrencies were very badly falls down. But in those days, my brother, especially as you can see, 16.05% profit just in only and last 7 days. So I think it's a very good profit now. And this time the Chainlink price, as you can see here, 26.39. So it's a very good now, my brother, and I am 100% sure to upcoming days they will also moving more and more moving upward now. Definitely this is possible if a holder are starting investing, if especially short-term investor, my brother. Absolutely everybody knows this too. Chainlink is not good, my brother, for short-term investor. Definitely it's a very good for long-term investor. If you have any plan to invest for 1 month, so I think it's a good. But if you have any plan to invest for 1 day, 2 day, 5 day, so I think you will be gonna wrong now. Please don't invest for 5 days, for 2 days. Absolutely they will be cannot give you a low profit now, because my brother, everybody knows this. You can see here this time the Chainlink price is very high now, 30.14%. There 14. This is the Chainlink price now. And my brother, if you invest this in only $1,000 or 2,000, $5,000, so I think this is not good for you, my brother, because they cannot give you a profit. But if you have any plan, my brothers, to you will be invest for in a lakh, 1 lakh thousand dollar or 2 lakh or $1 million, so it is very very good, my brother, for you to you will be invest now. Otherwise please don't invest, my brother, in Chainlink. This is not good for you if you invest for short time. My opinion is for all of you to please hold it if you are already holder, and this is just only for holder, my brother. So kindly please you need to wait for the end of this month, because I know to especially last 10 days of every month every coin will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I am 100% sure to in last 10 days they will easily hit now 35 to 40 USD dollar if they will starting increasing now. So kindly holder, please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. Absolutely they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, Chainlink holder. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like video and subscribe channel.